You've got this awesome product, you're ready to launch, and you know you need fantastic photos just to have a chance at competing with everyone else out there. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create amazing, studio-quality images of your product using nothing but your smartphone and Nano Banana 2. And we're going to do it without spending a single dime. Let's jump right in. Grab your product and don't worry about fancy lights or backdrops. Find a spot with some decent natural light and snap a clear photo with your smartphone. That's all you are going to need. Once you've got it, we're going to feed it into Nano Banana 2. I took the picture of my multivitamin bottle to use as an example. Just put it on my kitchen counter and took a quick photo. Now, if you haven't played around with Nano Banana 2 yet, don't sweat it. It's incredibly simple. If you've got a Gmail account, you're already in. Head over to Gemini. I'm uploading that boring kitchen counter photo I took earlier. So now I'm going to show you how to use some simple ProTalk prompts to transform this basic phone pic into a studio quality masterpiece that looks like it cost a fortune to shoot. Here's how I do it. I use 5 ingredients: the product, the surface, the light, the lens, and the vibe. Check this out. This is the prompt I'm going to use. You're telling the AI exactly where to put the sun and what lens to screw onto the camera. That's how you get the pro look. The AI will look at your photo for the product details and use my prompt to build that high-end studio world around it. It's that simple. You provide the product, Nano Banana provides the magic. This prompt is the secret sauce that's going to take this flat, everyday picture and transform it into something captivating that actually stalks the scroll. Look at that. See how easy that was? Honestly, Nano Banana is the one tool that just never disappoints me. If the first result isn't perfect, don't stress. This is the cool part. If you like the product but hate the background, just use the image edit tool. Now, tell it, keep the bottle, but swap that marble for a dark wooden table. It's like having a digital assistant who never gets tired of your requests. Look at what we just created. A professional studio quality shot of a product that looks like it cost a fortune, but it actually cost me $0. Now you've got no excuses. Go put your product out there. Just a quick tip, when you paste my prompt, make sure you make changes to fit your product. Don't be afraid to try. Remember, if you don't like the image, make small changes to the prompt and regenerate. Swap out multivitamin bottle for whatever it is you're selling. Whether it's a candle, a skincare cream, or a bag of coffee, the recipe works the same. Budget shouldn't be the thing that stops your business from looking professional. You've got the tools, you've got the prompts, now go play around with it. If you get stuck or your prompt is acting weird, just drop a comment. I'll jump in and help you tweak it. The prompt I used is in the description, and I added 2 more examples for you to try. Subscribe to our channel, and let's thrive with AI together.